Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you how to increase video RAM graphics without any software installation. Everything that is going to be done within confines of your machine, so no software is going to be installed. So the first thing that you're going to do, you're going to go to the device manager. You can click Windows.x, then you can go to device manager, Windows.x, Windows plus X. So once you're going to go to the display drivers, click on the display drivers you have. This will work for people who don't have dedicated graphics cards. So this one is the one which comes with the machine. So Intel HD graphics 530. So you're gonna to make sure that it is updated, because we don't want to continue to the next step and this has not been updated. So as you can see, they say that the best driver for this device already installed. So once you determine that the best driver has already been installed, you can click on close and you can move to the next step. Now you're gonna right click on your machine, go to display settings. So click on display settings, you're gonna go to advanced display settings. Once on advanced display settings, you select the display that you have. Click on display adapter properties. So here, depending on the RAM that you have, is gonna be split for your graphics. So total available graphics memory is 4 GB, dedicated memory is 128 MB. So for me I have a 8 GB RAM, so that's why you can see it's been split to 4. So we're gonna click on, this is what you want to change, dedicated video memory. Depending on the RAM that you have installed, you're gonna change this value and make sure that it becomes higher. So click on OK, close. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the registry editor. So you're gonna click on Windows plus R to open the run command. You're gonna type Regedit. To open the registry editor. Is gonna prompt you to click on yes, so just click on it. So once you're there, you're gonna go to this location. I'm gonna put it on the screen so that you don't get lost on the way. HK local machine. Then after there, you're gonna go to software. Then you're gonna go to Intel, because that's what we want to change. So Intel here on Intel, you're gonna create a new key. So you're gonna name it G, capital M, capital M. Make sure you name it as I have named it. Click on enter. So click on GML. Once you're here inside, you're gonna right click anywhere, new, then dword, that 2-bit value. Make sure you click on dword, that 2-bit value. So once you clicked on that, for here you're gonna make sure you type it as I'm typing it. So I'm gonna type dedicated segment size and click on enter. Make sure it's reading dedicated segment size. Make sure everything is, the first letter is capitalized. So here is what we want to change. We want to change this value correspond with the amount of RAM that you have. So I've just created this file for ease of access. So up to 16 GB. If you have more than 16 GB, you can just do the math. So for me, I have an 8 GB. So what I'm gonna write here is 1024. If you have a 2 GB RAM, 256. If you have 4 GB, 512. So on and so forth. And once you've written that, you're gonna click on OK. And once you've clicked on OK, you want to close this and restart your machine. So for me, I'm going to restart my machine once I'm done with this recording. So tell me in the comment section whether this worked for you. Did it increase the videos significantly? And like and subscribe for another tutorial if this helped.
Perfect.